Vietnam has signed the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, which will extend the reach of its trade agreements when it goes into effect in January 2022. This puts Vietnam in a position to be a strong trade and manufacturing hub for the world. We are optimistic about the Vietnam economy and plan to continuously invest in our network and our services in the country. Besides a new dedicated flight from Ho Chi Minh City to Hong Kong earlier this year, recently we have also arranged additional freighters to meet the increased demand by Vietnamese companies to tap into this global market.